Hey guys, what's up everybody? We are going to discuss about the seeds that we planted last year, what happened, and we're also going to go to the seeds that we got today and what we'll be doing this season in 2024, what we have done so far. Last year we did sweet corn, pumpkins, tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, beef tomatoes, zinnia flower, sunflower, more sunflower, and okra. That was our last year's produce here. Let's get to this year. This year, we got asparagus, we got wildflower, we got liatris, we got some elephant ear, and we got some Yukon Gold potatoes, we got carrots, cucumbers, squash, Bush Champion cucumber, one more cucumber, wildflower blend, perennial mix, sweet pepper, tomatoes, zinnia, microgreens, basil, pumpkin, watermelon, tomatoes, peas, radish, bush bean, peppers, cilantro, and bunching onions. Well, I also have an okra saved from last year. Let's see if that sprouts. And my wife got a gift for her birthday from my brother-in-law, some raised garden beds. She got a couple of them. She has so far planted some of those seeds that we just went through. Let's see what she has planted so far. You can see she has planted some of the green peas, and again, it's about a month old. You can see how they're doing. Not bad for early in the season. That's definitely a good sign of growth. Hopefully they survive. Bush beans, she has planted a bunch of them. You can see this is exactly 1 month. They were planted on 13th of April, and we're almost a month, and you can see the seeds budded and how far they have grown. I think one of them is about to die, but most of them survived. Hopefully they grow. Cilantro, you can see again it's been a month, but these cilantros are just coming up. Not very tall yet, but they look healthy, and hopefully they grow. These bunching onions, she has planted a bunch of bunching onions. You can see those, and they look pretty healthy, very young, early in the season. Hopefully they grow back. Sweet peppers, and she had planted like 5 or 6 of them. I think only 2 of them came out. Well, we'll see. It's always a hit or miss with sweet peppers. Last year my mom put some of the squash, and you can see they've started budding, so I'll just let them grow. If that comes out, I'll plant. Let's see what happens. Okay, if you like this video, let me know in comments what else you want me to do. Specifically, if you're an experienced farmer or gardener, let me know what else I should be doing.